Hi all, in today's video we will guide through how to fix Samsung Wi-Fi calling not working. Why Samsung Wi-Fi calling not working? Network settings. Check that Wi-Fi calling is properly enabled in your phone's network or connection settings. The option may be turned off or misconfigured. Software issues. Problems can arise after software updates. Where Wi-Fi calling stops working, clearing the phone's cache or resetting network settings may help. Location services. Some users reported Wi-Fi calling not working after an Android 14 update, unless location services were enabled. SIM card. Try removing and reinserting the SIM card, as these can help re-register the device on the network. And the fixed one is to check Wi-Fi calling settings. Wi-Fi calling settings may not be enabled in your device. Follow the steps to enable Wi-Fi calling. Go to Settings and Connections, followed by Wi-Fi calling, and ensure it is turned on. Verify your emergency address is properly configured. And the fix 2 is to connect to a different Wi-Fi network. Try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, as the current one may be misconfigured and blocking Wi-Fi calling. Open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap on the Connections or Wi-Fi option. Tap on the plus icon or Add Network option. Select different available Wi-Fi connections from the search list and click on it. Tap Connected to join the new Wi-Fi network. Once connected, test if Wi-Fi calling works on the new network. Fix 3 is to restart your phone. This is a simple yet effective way to address common issues with your device connectivity. Restarting your phone can help reset network connections and resolve temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button until you see the power options menu. Tap Restart or Reboot. Confirm the restart by tapping OK or Restart. Fix 4 is to ensure location services are enabled. Some users reported Wi-Fi calling only working with location services turned on after an Android 14 update. On home screen, swipe down the Quick Access menu. Enable location icon if it is not enabled. Fix 5 is the Clear Cache partition. Turn off the phone, then turn it back on while holding the volume up and power buttons. Select Clear Cache partition and repair apps to reset the system cache. Phone automatically reboots to optimizing app screen. Fix 6 is the Reset Network settings. Resetting network is an effective solution. It will reconfigure the network signal and help you to remove issues related to signal flow. Open the Settings app and then General Management, or you can directly search Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Review the information about what will be reset. Then tap on Reset Settings or Reset Network Settings. Confirm the action by tapping Reset Settings. Your device will reset automatically, and network settings will be reset to the default configurations. Make sure your device OS is up to date and running in the latest version. Go to Settings and scroll down to System and then Download and Install. If download option is not available, then OS is already running in the latest version. Fix 8 is to remove and reinsert one Mint Mobile SIM card. Reinserting your physical SIM card can re-register your phone on the mobile network, potentially resolving issues with data connection, text messages, and calling. Turn off your phone. Locate the small hole on your phone for the SIM card ejection tool. Insert the ejection tool that came with your phone or SIM card, firmly but gently. Push until the tray pops out. Remove the SIM and reinsert the SIM. Gently push the tray back into phone slot. Turn your phone back on. Thank you for watching our video.